guys. It's just not the same without you. The only thing I'm getting to feed these days is the birds. Whoa. But it got me thinking, if I'm not making breakfast, you probably ought to make your own. I'll show you how. It's pretty easy. We'll start with scrambled eggs. Eggs are good any time of day, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's one of my favorite dinners, actually. So, start by washing your hands. I'm guessing you've had plenty of that this last week or so. You don't need too many things. Need some eggs. Need a fork. Need a pan. And a bowl. I think we're ready. Let's get cracking. So, break a couple of eggs into the bowl. Check this out. I got a shell in there. Nobody likes to eat shells. But the best way, the easiest way to get it out is just take the rest of your egg and just catch it like that and pull it out. All right. Whip them up. And while you're doing that, it's a good idea to turn your burner on. Now, whether you've got an electric stove, gas stove, one of those funky flat things, doesn't matter. You want it not too low, certainly not all as hot as it gets. Just about the middle is good. And then just stir up your eggs however you want. Make sure you use a big enough bowl, otherwise you'll just have a mess on the floor to clean up. Now, you'll need something to stir your eggs with once they're in the pan too. You could use a spatula, you could use a wooden spoon. My favorite, the rubber spatula. What these all have in common though is they're not metal instruments. You don't ever want to use a metal instrument in your non-stick pan, or pretty soon you'll have a scratched up pan where everything sticks. And even though it's non-stick, you still need a little something in the bottom. Now, whether it's butter, oil, what have you. But this is how you know your pan is ready. Look at this. Check out this butter. See how it's starting to foam up a little bit and bubble a little bit? That's how you know your pan is hot enough. If you put your eggs in too soon, they're not going to cook. And if you wait too long, it's just going to burn. So dump your eggs in. And all you have to do is just move them around. The bottom's going to cook. You move the bottom ones out of the way. Eggs fill in. The rest of them cook. Can be pretty gentle. Otherwise, of course, another mess to clean up. Nobody needs that. And they're almost done. Quickest breakfast you're liable to have. I bet this is even quicker than just throwing a bagel in the toaster or deciding which cereal you want. Oh, you will need one more thing. Plate to eat them on. Well, when they're ready, onto the plate. Don't forget to turn your burner off. And one of the biggest parts of cooking, cleaning up your mess. Valerie's not going to do it for you, so make sure you do your own dishes. Wasn't that easy? Maybe next time we'll do an omelet. See ya.